Umolemo Marohanye nowaziwa ngoJubjub kumanje ungaphandle ngebheyili kanti uyawaphika amacala abhekane nawo. Uthi leli yitulo nje lokudicilela phansi isithunzi sakhe.
Saying that I kidnapped my girlfriend dating an Uber driver, washa guacima, wara, fish paste, yada yada. I don't know, man. It's for me. I'm just complying and appearing and doing what it is. In all cases, anything related to me, it's always God first anyway. Before I step in the room, it's always God. So if anybody's trying to put things together, maybe, formulate something of some case or whatever, then it's fine.
Ubhekane necala elingaphansi kuka schedule 5 ngenxa yokuthi wake waboshwa ngaphambilini. Inkantolo yengeze amanye amacala phezulu kwalawa abhekane nawo. Ummeli wakhe ukhala ngokuthi umbuso ulokhu uguqula amacala.
It's a bit of a concern for us because when it initially started, we were told that it was kidnapping and pointing a firearm. Now suddenly, because he now gave them an explanation which they now understood, they're now changing the charges. And these are just blown out of proportion.
Umarohanye ungaphandle ngebheyili kanti uzobuyela enkantolo ngomhla ka 24 kuNcwaba.